Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shan from Zuna Crafts and today I'm going to be working on some Chainsaw Man fan art. I'm going to be making Pochita. I've made him before. I posted a short of my previous one. He sold at Comic-Con. So I'm going to make some more for stock. The pattern I got from a tutorial. I can't remember the designer off the top of my head. I do remember it was in Spanish and I had to put English translation on it. But I will link the designer in the pattern. Like I say, I got it from a YouTube tutorial. It was a little while ago now, so I can't remember her name. But like I say, I will link her. So, grab a cuppa and I will begin. day for me. The weather is so hot at the minute, so I'm having to do filming in short bursts because my phone keeps overheating. Anyway, at the moment on Pochita, got the body done. Just put this in so I know which way is the bottom. I've got his saw done, his top handle, his bum handle and his tail chain. I've got 3 more legs to do, which I'll do off camera, and then it's just sewing it all together. So I will do the rest of the work off camera just so my phone doesn't overheat, and I'll show you in just a minute. And I'm back. Here he is, all finished, all sewn, wire in the handles, back and front, wire round the blade for the chainsaw. So here's his Pochita. Right, I've got to go now. I'm going to do some editing and put this lot away that came yesterday. Please do try and keep hydrated in this hot weather in the UK. I will see you soon. And like I say, if you do like my work, please do like and subscribe. Bye.